How to edit a tweet. So if you want to edit a tweet, then the first thing you need to do is you have to open up your Twitter application, which is the X application. And after opening your Twitter, now you can simply go for your profile, which is on the upper left, and then you can go for again tap on that profile, and here it will take you to your profile page, right? So here you can simply choose any tweet that you would like. So I'll be choosing the first one, and here if you simply go for the right side, upper right side of that tweet, which has that three dots icon, tap on that, and here you will have these options, right? A bunch of options. So you can pin that to your profile, or you can delete the post, or mute this conversation, or view hidden replies, or change who can reply. But you don't have an option of edit tweet or edit post. So on Twitter, once you have tweeted something, then we don't have another option to edit that tweet. So once it has been posted, then that's it. You don't have any other option. And if you want to edit that, then you can simply go for delete post, and after deleting you can again type something new with the tweet that you would like to tweet. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.